Jordan, a field service tech here out at the Weatherford location. Today we're taking a look at this here 400 bushel grain cart. This is a John Deere branded 400 bushel grain cart. This is actually made by United Farm Tool. Looks like it's had a recent paint job done. Looks like it's in very good shape. The flighting and the augers is really good on it. The only spot that I seen where it wasn't was at the bottom here. Looks like they had left some grain or something in the bottom here. The bottom right around here is a little bit rusty. Looks like you can take the cover here and cover it all up and not have any issues with seed coming out or anything. Little bit of a leak on a gearbox there, not dripping, just a little bit wet, but the rest of the flighting looks really good on it. And it does have a hydraulic cylinder for the open on the bottom there. It does not have a cylinder to fold the auger up and down, but it looks like the previous owner must have just left it up all the time and they had bolted it down. It does have a Sherlock tarp on top. Looks like it's in really good condition. It does have big tires on it. They're 20.20s. Looks like to be in decent condition. Here you can see the tarp handle there. Overall, the machine looks very good condition, besides that one little spot there on the bottom. But I think for the price, it would be definitely worth it if you're looking for a small grain cart like this. It is 540 PTO. So if you're looking for something like this, talk to one of the salesmen at one of our 21 locations and they can get you set up with this grain cart.